Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials out of the way. Unlock your iPad and confirm it has the latest iPad OS. Once done, make sure you know the Apple ID tied to the device. This is how Apple links phone numbers for continuity and iMessage. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top. That takes you into Apple ID details where the number is often displayed. If no number appears, don't worry. Keep going to check FaceTime, Messages, and Cellular settings. Next, inspect the apps that actually use a phone number. In Settings, go to Messages, then Send and Receive. You'll see the phone number used for iMessage and how it is selected. After that, open FaceTime settings to confirm the number registered for calls. If you have a cellular iPad, open Cellular and look under My Number. The SIM's phone number appears there. If you see multiple addresses, make sure the correct number is checked for sending and receiving. To finish, verify by sending yourself an iMessage or making a FaceTime call. That confirms which number is active. If the number still doesn't appear, restart the iPad to force a settings refresh, then recheck Messages, FaceTime, and Cellular. You can sign out and back into your Apple ID or remove and reinsert the SIM to refresh carrier provisioning. Troubleshooting tip: if the SIM never shows a number under Cellular,
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.